Hey, so I'll just show a quick demo of the program running itself. On the left here you can see we have the force that's been actuated on the load cell, and we have the time across the bottom. Now there's two lines, we have a red line and a blue line, and if I squeeze the load cell you can see that the blue line went up, which is the current force applied to the load cell, and the red line is the maximum force that has ever been applied to it since the program started to run. So if I squeeze again I can see the blue line goes up and down. But if I go over the red line it moves the red line up, so we can have a measure of the strongest that you can squeeze. So you can see there I did about 46 kilo with one hand, which is pretty average. This project does have some limitations in that the shape of the load cell isn't the best for squeezing. To have a perfect system it would need to kind of be like a circular style load cell that you'd squeeze, and that way you'd be able to get the maximum amount of force. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the project, guys, and check out the GitHub for details on how to download and install the program.